Catherine Rosario. I'm called Kathy by most of my friends. Nagkaroon po ako ng chronic endocervicitis and na-diagnosed po ako with having three ganyan pong kalalaking cysts sa ovaries. Since January po, dinugo ako for 2.5 months.
January 2015?
Opo, January 2015, dinugo ako for 2.5 months. So, sinalinan po ako ng dugo. And after that, yun po yung sinabi ng doctor na I had to go through surgery. Ano daw po, hysterectomy. And tatanggalin po lahat yung uterus and the ovaries and yung part, hindi ko po alam kung yung cervix kasama doon eh. But then, hindi po, kasi parang gusto kong, I really believe that the Lord will heal me. So, I started praying for my healing. And then, kasi po yung son ko was invited here by Isaac. So, yung first time na nag-attend siya dito, they were praying also for healing. So, he told me to come. So, nagpunta po kami nung time na yon. First time ko po nun dito sa CSB. And then, nung day po na yun, dinugo ako ng malakas dito sa church. Tapos talaga pong basang-basa yung seat na inupuan ko. Tapos nung pinag-pray nila ako, sabi po ni Sister Isa, who prayed for me that night, na the Lord just gave me a divine DNC. Na in fact, ang sabi po nila sa akin na pinalitan na ni Lord yung entire uterus ko. So, after nung day na yun na nag-bleed ako, I bled for 2 more days, then it totally stopped. Tapos after po nun, after mga 2.5 weeks, I went to the doctor for a check-up. Humingi po ako ng request if I can have a laboratory yung laboratory test. And after the laboratory test, lumabas po dun sa lab test na talagang everything is normal. So, I believe po na talagang si Lord yung answer dun sa yung desire talaga ng heart ko na to go through surgery, but just to claim healing from the Lord. Yun. So, faithful po si Lord, and it was through CSB that I got my healing. Yan po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.